Olive oil may be lying to you, not exaggerating, not metaphorically. There's a real chance that the bottle in your kitchen, labeled extra virgin olive oil, stamped with an Italian flag, promising health and purity, is something else entirely. In fact, there's a chance you have never actually tasted real extra virgin olive oil, even if you think you have. And this story doesn't start in your grocery store, it starts with the mafia. A few years ago, police in southern Italy began secretly tracking tanker trucks entering a fortified compound. These trucks weren't carrying drugs or weapons, they were carrying oil, cheap seed oil, costing barely €1 per liter. Inside the compound, criminals mixed it with coloring agents like chlorophyll, bottled it, slapped on elegant labels reading extra virgin olive oil, and shipped it across Europe, Germany, restaurants, supermarkets, and trust empires. At peak operation, they sold 23,000 liters a week, making nearly 8 million euros a year. When police finally raided the compound, they seized 150,000 liters of fake olive oil and arrested 2 dozen people. But here's the unsettling part. This wasn't an exception, it was a symptom. Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's story, I want to give a big thanks to our sponsor, Ion Infotech. They are not just any tech company, they are our digital partner here at Sutra Network, helping us bring you the content that often gets overlooked by the media but really matters. Ion Infotech is all about the digital future. They specialize in AI, app development, and yes, even game app development. They use their unique 4D model discovery, design, development, and deployment to ensure every project is a success. And in today's world, every business needs a strong digital presence. They are the ones who can help you move beyond traditional marketing and get your business visible on modern platforms like Gemini, ChatGPT, and all those new AI search and source hubs. So, if you are looking to bring your digital project to life and really stand out online, definitely check them out. And remember, by supporting them, you are supporting us. Hit the link in the description, mention Sutra Network, and you'll get a little extra perk. To know more, visit ioninfotech.com. Now let's get back to the video. You might think why olive oil is so valuable. To understand why olive oil fraud exists, you need to understand what olive oil really is. For thousands of years, the Mediterranean treated olive trees as sacred. Olive oil wasn't just food, it was medicine, fuel, cosmetics, and ritual. It symbolized peace, it anointed kings, it fueled civilizations. Then, in the 1960s, scientists studying Mediterranean diets noticed something strange. People in Italy and Greece lived longer, healthier lives, despite poverty and war. So, what's the secret? Fish, vegetables, nuts, and lots of olive oil. The world took notice. By the 1970s and 80s, olive oil became a global obsession. Doctors praised it, TV shows promoted it, the Mediterranean diet went mainstream. Global olive oil production tripled. The US became one of the largest consumers. What was once a regional product turned into a massive international supply chain with farmers, middlemen, bottlers, exporters, and retailers. And wherever there's complexity, there's opportunity for fraud. What extra virgin really means? Real extra virgin olive oil is incredibly hard to make. The olives must be picked at the perfect moment, pressed within 24 hours, crushed without heat or chemicals, stored in dark, sealed, and cool temperatures. No shortcuts, no mistakes. This process produces a delicate oil rich in antioxidants, anti inflammatory compounds, and flavor. It tastes grassy, peppery, slightly bitter. It burns the back of your throat. That burn, that's not a flaw, that's proof. Here's the problem. Most consumers don't know what real olive oil tastes like. And olive oil fraud is hard to detect. It all looks golden. In the US, scientists tested imported olive oils claiming to be extra virgin. 69% of them failed sensory test. 31% failed chemical standards. Most weren't fake in the dramatic mafia style sense. They were worse. They were pulled oil, poorly processed oil mixed with lower quality batches, but still labeled extra virgin. So, why does this happen? Because in the US, there are no enforcement laws. Companies don't have to prove anything. They can slap extra virgin on the label and no one checks. As one expert put it, America became the dumping ground for fake olive oil. So why does this matters and what you can do? This isn't just about taste, it's about tradition, it's about honesty, it's about small farmers losing out to industrial deception. Good olive oil is resource intensive. Fraud undercuts the people doing it right. But there's hope. Real extra virgin olive oil does exist. You just need to know what to look for. First, dark glass bottles, harvest dates, not just expiry dates, specific regions, not vague, product of Italy, a higher price. Yes, that matters. And when you finally taste the real thing, you'll understand why civilizations worship this liquid. It's not just oil, it's history, chemistry, culture, and care bottled. Once you realize how valuable real olive oil is, you also understand why people lie about it. Because when something is ancient, sacred, healthy, and expensive, someone will always try to fake it. The question is no longer, is olive oil healthy? The real question is yours even real? Where many news channels are caught up in noise and agendas, Sutra Network stands firmly with facts and truth. We don't chase sensationalism, we show reality. If you believe in honest journalism, join us for truth, for change. And if you have a story that needs to reach the people, click the link below and share it with us. For more information, read our article on this. Link is mentioned in the description.